So the boat, guys, is already arrived. The travel time is approximately 6 minutes from here towards Dubai Festival City. Very nice boat, small boat. So we already arrived, guys, at Dubai Festival City. It's very fast. So the charge is only 2 dirhams. It's very cheap. Already here at Dubai Festival City Marine Transport Station. That's fine, guys. So the boat schedule is every 20 minutes and travel time is 6 minutes. So this is Festival City. This one. Very nice. So inside the Festival City has IKEA. So I show you guys what's inside the mall and also IKEA. I'm going to show you as well. So guys, we're already inside Festival City. So it's very nice mall, very huge. So we're going directly to IKEA. So we have to check something to buy. So a lot of restaurants and cafes also here. Okay, so let's go up. We go directly towards IKEA. So that's the way to IKEA, Carrefour. So we're approaching IKEA, guys, and Carrefour as well. So this is IKEA. So it's already Christmas in IKEA. They have a lot of Christmas decors here. And the other side is Carrefour, just opposite of IKEA. Hi guys, I'm here at Tubay Creek. I show you the way to boat station towards Festival City. This way. So it's just a few steps away. Maybe 5 minutes walk. So you can just go straight. Have also bus stop here. So now I'm approaching at boat station. The Click station. So guys, see the Click metro station is there. It's very near. And Sabaya. Magkano po masahe?
2 dirham.
2 dirhams. Bali separate, no?
May card.
Oh yeah, minor card. Continuous siya. If continuous journey, no extra charge.
Actually, only one dirham. Festival, 2 dirham.
Separate. Okay.
No card po.
Mag-hi ka ma'am sa Philippines.
Hello po.
Ano yun,
Welcome
ma'am?
to Marine Station, Al-Jadaf Marine Station of IKEA.
Up to what time yung ano ma'am?
11:50 po. Kaya lang yung metro 11:20 lang.
11:20.
Today is Saturday, 11.
So, saan kayo sa Pilipinas? Bumati kayo sa pamilya sa Philippines.
Hello po, taga Mindoro. Ano lang po kayo dito sa amin sa Al-Jadaf Marine Station. Ang route po namin dito is going to Festival City and also going to Dubai Water Canal. So kung gusto niyo pong matry yun, punta lang po kayo dito and visit our station to go to Dubai Canal Station. Dubai Water Canal. Yeah, and Dubai Festival po.
Kasi marami pang hindi nakakaalam dito sa tingin ko eh.
Po.
Kaya nga isa din sa purpose na nag-travel ako dito kasama sa vlog ko para ma-inform din yung mga, especially yung mga kabayan.
Totoo yan. Sana po makapunta kayo dito kasi eto talaga yung ano natin. Yung festival po is only 2 dirham. That's yung going to Dubai Canal is only 8 dirham. So kaya po natin yan. One way 8 dirham, come back another 8 dirham. So festival mall naman is 2 dirham lang. So 2 dirham going, 2 dirham come back. So 4 dirhams lang.
Okay, maiba naman tayo. Matagal na kayo dito, ma'am?
3 years po.
3 years. And still counting.
Yeah, and still counting.
Wow. So how's
far, so
your...
good. Okay
Are you
naman po.
happy?
Siyempre.
Wow, nice to hear that. So every year ba kayo nagbabakasyon sa atin?
Every year so far on there. Every year.
Okay.
Thanks, God.
Ano ang name?
At Teresa po.
Mr. Isa
at your
from
service.
Mindoro.
Next one po is 440. It's every 20 minutes po yung going to Festival City.
Every 20 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. So I think the boating...
It's coming within 4 minutes. Just
still have...
sit forward.
still have time. Okay.
Use your card to dirham will deduct your card.
Okay.
Thank you.
Any final message, ma'am, to your family in Philippines?
Hello. Okay lang. Okay naman sila dun.
Okay, thank you
Just
so
keep in
much.
touch.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mr.
Bye-bye.
Reza. If you are from Dubai Festival City or IKEA, this is the link towards bus stop and taxi stand. And you can also take by boat at Dubai Festival City Marine and Transport Station towards Al-Jadaf Marine Station and Creek Metro Station. This is the largest water projection screen in the world, plus laser lights and pyrotechnics with dramatic effects. Here at Dubai Festival City Bay. Show timings every night. Sunday to Wednesday from 6:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Thursday to Saturday from 6:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. Thank you for watching, guys. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell. Mabuhay ang mga OFW! Mabuhay Philippines!